Hello everyone, I am Biswajit Mondal and welcome to my YouTube channel Target Mathematics. So in the previous video, we started discussing the KVS TGT Mathematics question paper. Okay, as I have already told you that total 100 questions will be there from mathematics part or mathematics section, and from the question number 81 to question number 180, these 100 questions will be from mathematics. Okay, now out of these 100 questions, first 20 questions we have solved in the previous video. Okay, that means question number 81 to question number 100 we have solved in the previous video. Now today's video we will solve the next 30 questions. Okay, that is from question number 101 to question number 130. Okay, so these 30 questions today we will try to solve in detail. Okay, so anyway, those who have not seen the previous video, they can watch the previous video by going to the description box. In the description box I have given the link of the previous videos. Okay, so you will get from there. So anyway, without delaying, let's start today's session. Today we will solve from question number 101 to question number 130. Okay, so this video will be helpful for those who already have written the TGT exam for KVS Mathematics and those who are preparing for TGT or PGT exams. Okay, for both of them it will be helpful. So let's start. Today's first question is on the screen, that is question number 101. Okay, question number 101. So what it is telling, solution x comma y of pair of linear equations. Okay, two linear equations are given, we have to find the solution or we have to find the values for x and y. So in many ways you can solve this system of linear equation. You know elimination method, you know substitution method, you know cross multiplication method. So by using any one of these methods you can solve it. Okay, or otherwise what I will do here, I will cross check by putting the options. Okay, 4 options are there, I will cross check them. So if you see the first option a comma minus a, if a comma minus a is a solution of these two equations, then both the equations will be satisfied by these points. Okay, x comma y, x is equal to a, y is equal to minus a. So in the first equation I will put x is equal to a and y is equal to minus a in the left hand side, and I will see whether we are getting the right hand side or not. So in the first equation I will put x is equal to a. Okay, simply I have put x is equal to a and y is equal to minus a. Okay, so in the left hand side we are putting, and we will compare with the right hand side whether we are getting the same right hand side or not. So this will become a square plus ac, and this will become plus a square and minus minus plus, yeah, minus minus plus minus minus ac. So this is becoming ac, ac will be cancelled, 2a square. That is not equal to 2ab. Right hand side you can see here 2ab is there. Okay, so it is 2a square, it is not equal to 2ab. So option 1 cannot be correct. Okay, option 1 is discarded. Now come to the second option, minus c comma c. Again in the first equation only I will put minus c comma c. So a plus c into c minus a minus c into c. Now if you calculate it, you will get ac plus c square minus ac plus c square. So this is also not equal to 2ab. Okay, this is also not equal to 2ab. So option 2 is also discarded. Okay, so now come to the next option, minus b comma b. So if you put minus b comma b, that means a plus c into b, minus b, and here minus a minus c into b, y value is b. If you put it, then you will get minus ab minus bc minus ac plus bc. So bc will be cancelled, so we will get minus AB minus AC. Okay, minus AB minus AC. Okay, not AC, this is AB. Okay, this will be AB, not AC, this will be AB. So minus AB means minus 2AB, minus 2AB. It is also not equal to 2AB. Okay, it is also not equal to 2AB. So option 3 is also not correct. So we are left with only one option, option 4. That will be correct option. Now you can check also if you want. If you are not satisfied by this, you can check option 4. I will show you in one equation by putting it into the first equation only, but you can check both the equation will be satisfied by the fourth option. So just put b comma minus b, that means a plus c into b minus a minus c into minus b. So it will become ab plus bc, and this will become minus minus plus ab and minus minus plus minus bc. So bc will be cancelled and we will get 2ab. So first equation is satisfied by this fourth option. Okay, the second equation will also be satisfied by the fourth option. Okay, that you can check by your own. So option 4 is the correct answer. Okay, for this question option 4 is the correct answer. Now let's move to the next question. Question number 102. If x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 1 is the solution of the pair of equations this and this, then the relation between p and q. Okay, anyway, this is a straightforward problem. X is equal to 3 and y is equal to 1 is a solution of both these equations. So that means what? These two values will satisfy both the equations. Okay, so I will just put x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 1 in both the equations, and let's see what we are getting. So in the first equation, if you put x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 1, that means minus 4 plus p is equal to 0, or that means p is equal to, we will get 1. Okay, from here we will get p is equal to 1. And in the second equation, if you put the values of x and y, then what we will get? 2 into 3 means 6 and y means 1, and minus q minus 2 is equal to 0. So what will be q? Now from here q will be equal to 6 1 7, 7 minus 2 means 5, q is equal to 5. So we are getting p is equal to 1, q is equal to 5. So that means, can't I write it is equal to 5p, q is equal to 5p? Okay, that we can write q is equal to 5p. So which option? Q is equal to 5p, that means option 3 is the correct answer. Okay, option 3 is the correct answer. Now let's move to the next question. Question number 103. The area of a rectangle gets increased by 45 meter square if its length is reduced by 4 meter and breadth is increased by 5 meter. Okay, anyway, first we will let the length is equal to x meter and breadth also we will assume that is y meter. Okay, now if length and breadth we have, then we know what will be the area. Area A will be equal to xy. Okay, that is the original area of the rectangle. Now what they are saying, if length is reduced by 4 meter and breadth is increased by 5 meter, that means length is reduced by 4 meter means x minus 4. Now it is the length, and breadth is increased by 5 meter. So y plus 5, it is y plus 5. So then what will happen? Area of the rectangle will be increased by 45 meter square. Okay, so area will be increased by 45 meter square, that they are saying. Okay, from the first equation, from the first statement, we are getting this equation. We have formulated this equation. So let's a little bit simplify, because we have to find the value of x. Okay, length of the rectangle we have to find. So anyway, one more equation we will get. Just wait for some time. That we are getting xy plus 5x minus 4y minus 20 is equal to xy plus 45. Okay, is it clear to everyone? Now xy will be cancelled, then we are getting 5x minus 4y is equal to 65. Okay, that is our first equation. Now next, one more equation we will get by applying the second statement. What they are saying, if the length of the rectangle is increased by 3 meter, okay, length is increased by 3 meter, so now the length is x plus 3, and what they are saying, and breadth is reduced by 4 meter, so breadth is y minus 4 meter. Then the area decreased by 67 meter square, so area will be decreased by 67 meter square, so this is xy minus 67. So this will give us another linear equation in x and y. Okay, this will give us another linear equation in x and y. So xy minus 4x plus 3y minus 12 is equal to xy minus 67. Okay, that we are getting. So anyway, xy will be cancelled. So this will become minus 4x plus 3y is equal to, and 12 means 2, 5, 1, 5, 55 minus 55. Okay, so just multiply by minus both sides, so 4x minus 3y is equal to 55. Now this is our second equation. Now we have to find the value of x only. So what we will do, now multiply the first equation by 3 and second equation by 4. Okay, multiply the first equation by 3. If you multiply the first equation by 3, then what we will get, 15x minus 12y is equal to 3, 5, 15, 3, 6, 18, 1, 19, 195. And the second equation we are multiplying by 4, so we are getting 16x and minus 4, 3, 12y is equal to 4, 4, 5, 20 and 4, 5, 20, 22. This we will get. So now just subtract. Okay, the first equation whatever we are getting here, this equation we are subtracting. Okay, so here we will get minus, here we will get plus, and this will become minus. So if I do that, then 12y will be cancelled, and this will become only x will become 5 means 25, only 25, x will be equal to 25. So the length of the rectangle will be 25. Is it clear to everyone? Okay, so option number 4 is the correct answer. Option 4 is the correct answer. So let's move to the next question. Question number 104. The pair of linear equations this and this represents two lines which are parallel, intersecting, coincident, or intersecting at some other points. Okay, that they have asked. So first let us rearrange the terms. First equation, if I rearrange, I will get 4x plus 3y is equal to 1, that we will get. And second equation, if we rearrange, we will get 3x minus 4y is equal to minus 18. So anyway, these straight lines are not parallel, that is for sure, but the straight lines are perpendicular to each other, but perpendicular is not there in the option. So but whenever they are perpendicular to each other, that means they will intersect at some point. Okay, they will intersect at some point. So now we have to find the point of intersection, that is the main problem now. So what I will do for that, so anyway you can, okay, we are seeing that they are not parallel. First of all, they are not parallel. Okay, and they are not coincident also. So either they will intersect at the point minus 2 comma 3, or they will intersect at the point 3 comma minus 2. So either option 2 or option 4 will be the correct answer. So we will check by the answers. Okay, so minus 2 comma 3, whether it will satisfy the equation or not. If you put in the first equation minus 2 comma 3, so minus 8 plus 9, so that is equal to 1, that is satisfied. And the second equation, if I put minus 2 comma 3, so minus 2 means minus 6 and 3 means 4, 3, 12, minus 12, so this is equal to minus 18. So this point is satisfied by these two equations. Okay, so the lines will intersect at the point minus 2 comma 3. Okay, so option 2 is the correct answer. Option 2 is the correct answer. So let's move to the next question. So what they are asking, if the roots of the quadratic equation these are equal, then the value of k is what? So we know the condition of the equality of the roots of this quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. If the roots are equal, then we have b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Okay, so if you compare this equation with the standard quadratic equation, then we have the condition for equality of the roots will be b square, means 6k whole square minus 4ac, 4 into 9 into 4 is equal to 0. Okay, so what we will get, 36k square will be equal to 4 into 4 into 9. So 9 4 36. So 36 will be cancelled. So we will get k is equal to plus minus 2. K is equal to plus minus 2. That means either k is equal to 2 or k is equal to minus 2. So option 3 is the correct answer, 2 or minus 2. So now we will see the next question. The roots of the quadratic equation x square plus x minus p into p plus 1 are. Okay, we have to solve this quadratic equation. That is the question. So the quadratic equation we will rewrite it as x square plus x minus p square minus p is equal to 0. Now we will take these two terms x square and minus p square together. So x square minus p square we are taking together, and the remaining two terms we will take together, x minus p is equal to 0. Now x square minus p square, what we can write, x plus p into x minus p, that is a square minus b square formula. Okay, and x minus p is equal to 0. Now from these two terms we can take common x minus p. Okay, if we take x minus p common, then we will get x plus p plus 1, that is equal to 0. So that will imply x is equal to either p or x is equal to minus of p plus 1. Okay, so the solution, the roots of the quadratic equation are p or minus of p plus 1. So which option? Option 4 is the correct answer, p comma minus of p plus 1. So let's move to the next question. Question number 107. So what they are telling here, if minus 2 is a common roots of the quadratic equations this and this, then a square b is what? So minus 2 is a root of the first equation as well as the second equation. So minus 2 will satisfy both the equations. Okay, so we will put y is equal to minus 2 in both the equations. So if I put minus 2 in the first equation, what we will get, 4a minus 2a plus 3 is equal to 0. So what it is giving, 2a is equal to minus 3. So what it is giving, a is equal to minus 3 by 2. A is equal to minus 3 by 2. Now come to the second equation. Second equation will also be satisfied by minus 2. So it will become 4 minus 2 plus b is equal to 0. So this will give us b is equal to minus 2. Yes or no? B is equal to minus 2. So now we have to find the value of a square b. Now a square b you can find straightforward. A square means 9 by 4 and b means minus 2. So it will become minus 9 by 2. Minus 9 by 2. Is it clear to everyone or not? So option 2 is the correct answer. Option 2 is the correct answer. Now let's move to the next question. Question number 108. So which constant must be added and subtracted to solve the quadratic equation 9x square plus 3 by 4 into x minus root 2 is equal to 0 by the method of completing the square? Okay, so we know two methods of solving a quadratic equation. First method is that the method of completing the square. Okay, and the second one is what? Can you tell the second one? Second one is that the middle term factor. We can do middle term factor. Okay, by doing middle term factor also we can solve the quadratic equation. So now here they have told that method of completing the square we have to solve. Then what should be added and subtracted? 9x square plus 3 by 4x minus root 2. is equal to 0. So we will try to complete the square. So first one, what we can write, 3x whole square, okay, plus if we want to make a complete square, then 2 into, it will become 2 into 3x into, how to adjust, then 3 we have got, then 1 by 8, then we are getting 3 by 4 into x, okay, this term we are adjusting like this, okay. So 3 by 4 into x plus, so we have to add 1 by 8 whole square, and we have to subtract 1 by 8 whole square, and minus root 2 was there. So what term we have added and subtracted in order to complete the square? So now only we can write 3x plus 1 by 8 whole square, okay, is equal to root 2 plus 1 by 8 whole square. So this is the method of completing the square for solving a quadratic equation, okay. So what term we have added and subtracted? 1 by 8 whole square, that is clear from here. So 1 by 64 we have added and we have subtracted. So 1 by 64 is the correct answer. So option 3 is the correct answer. Now come to the next question, question number 109. So that is also a very simple question. Which of the following is a quadratic equation? Okay, which of the following is a quadratic equation? So we have to check all the options. So minus 2x square, in the left hand side minus 2x square is there, in the right hand side also minus 2x square you will get, so both will be cancelled, so it will not be a quadratic equation. Option 1 is not a quadratic equation. Now x cube minus x square, so anyway from the left hand side and right hand side x cube will be cancelled anyway, then minus x square, what about minus x square? So here we will get minus 3x square, so x square will be there, so anyway keep this option on hold, okay, keep this option on hold, x square will be there, and this equation k is equal to minus 1 they have told, so the coefficient of x square will become 0, okay, the coefficient of x square will become 0, so this is also not a quadratic equation. And this equation, x square in the left hand side and we will get in the right hand side also 1x square, so x square will be cancelled, okay, from left and right, so this will also not be a quadratic equation. So option 2 is the correct answer, okay. And now you can check also, if you are not satisfied with this, just simplify it, x cube minus x square is equal to, now a minus b whole cube formula, a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square and plus minus b cube. So x cube will be cancelled, and 3x square, keep it, take it in the left hand side, so we will get 2x square minus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0, which is a quadratic equation. Yes or no? Yes everyone? Yes, okay. So now we will move to the next question, question number 110, okay. So solution of the quadratic equation, okay, we have to solve this quadratic equation. So the quadratic equation is 2x square plus 6 root 3x minus 60 is equal to 0. Now in the beginning itself we will cancel x square, 2 will be cancelled. Okay, the equation is given as 2x square plus 6 root 3x minus 60 is equal to 0. Okay, 2x square plus 6 root 3x minus 60 is equal to 0. So what we will do, we will cancel 2. X square plus 3 root 3x minus 30 is equal to 0. So 30 we have to split into two factors, okay, whose difference is 3 root 3, whose difference is 3 root 3. So what we can do, 30 5 3 means 3 into something, we have to get 3 into 10 I have to divide like that, 5 2. Okay, 5 2 we will write the middle term like that, plus 5 root 3 x minus 2 root 3x, okay, minus 30 is equal to 0. Just we are applying middle term factor, okay, middle term factor we are applying. Okay, then sorry, this is not working. Okay, from the first two terms we will take x common, so we will get x plus 5 root 3 minus from the second term what I will take common, 2 root 3, okay, these two terms, last two terms we will take 2 root 3 common, so we will get x plus 5 root 3, that is equal to 0. So what we are getting, x plus 5 root 3 and into x minus 2 root 3, sorry again disturbing. So if we take 2 root 3 common, then we will get x plus 5 root 3, that is equal to 0. So that will imply x plus 5 root 3 into x minus 2 root 3 is equal to 0. That will imply x is equal to minus 5 root 3 or x is equal to 2 root 3. Okay, these are the two solutions, minus 5 root 3 and 2 root 3. So option 1 is the correct answer for this question. Okay, option 1 is the correct answer for this question. So now let's move to the next question, question number 111. If the zeros of the quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c, where c is not equal to 0 are equal, then what condition we will get? So for equality of two roots, what we have, b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, or from here we are getting b square is equal to 4ac. Okay, so the left hand side what we are seeing, this is a positive quantity. Okay, so the right hand side should also be positive quantity. Right hand side should also be a positive quantity. Now under which condition the right hand side will be positive quantity? A and C must have the same sign. Okay, maybe both of them are positive, A and C both are positive, then we will get positive sign. If A and C are both negative, then we will say we will get positive sign. But if A and C are of different sign, one is plus, another one is minus, then we will get negative. So our correct answer will be that A and C must be of same sign. So which option? C and A have same signs. Okay, option 1. C and A have same signs. So now let's move to the next question. Question number 112. The sum of n terms of AP is n square plus 3n. Then the common difference is what? So they have given that Sn is equal to n square plus 3n. Sn means it is the sum of n terms. So A or A1 first term, how we will get? Just by putting n is equal to 1, S1 is equal to 1 plus 3, that is equal to 4. Okay, so the sum of the first two terms, what is that? S2. Now S2 means what? First term and the sum of the second term. Okay, first term and the second term sum, that is equal to, just put n is equal to 2, so 2 to 4 plus 6, that is equal to 10. So what we are getting? 2a plus d. D is the common difference, okay, of the AP. So that is equal to 10. Now a already we have got 4. Okay, a already we have got 4. So d will be equal to 10 minus 8, that is equal to 2. Okay, the AP is like that, a plus d, these are the terms of the AP, a plus 2d dot dot, it will go like that. Okay, so d is equal to 2. So option 1 is the correct answer. Option 1 is the correct answer. Now come to question number 113. In the sequence AN given by 114, 109, 104, the first negative term will be what? So this is an AP. If you observe properly, you will see this is an AP. Okay, so the first term is A is equal to 114 and the common difference D is equal to what? 109 minus 114. So that is equal to minus 5. Okay, minus 5 is the common difference. So then what will be the nth term? Tn. What was the formula? A plus n minus 1 into d. A means 114 plus n minus 1 into d. D means minus 5. Now this should be negative. Okay, this should be negative. First negative term we have to find. So now from here we have to find the condition for n for which this will be negative. So now this will imply what? 114 minus 5n plus 5 is less than 0. Or from here 5n, let me take it right hand side, 5n is greater than 119. So n is greater than 119 by 5. So that will give us 5 to 10, 119, 5 3 15, 4 19, 5 8 23.8. So n must be greater than 23.8. So the value of n will be equal to 24. The least value of n will be equal to 24. Okay, because n cannot be fraction. N is the number of term, nth term. Okay, n is the nth term. So that will always be an integer, positive integer. So n is equal to 24. So option 3 is the correct answer. Okay, now let's move to the next question. Question number 114. The seventh term from the end of the sequence. Okay, now this is also in AP. If you see properly, then you will see that this is in AP. Minus 8, minus 5, that means plus 3 is added. Okay, plus 3 is added, then again plus 3 is added, dot dot, last term they have given 88. So if plus 3 is added, then the second last term if I want to find, then minus 3 will be added, that means it will be 85, then it will be 82, like that it will go. Okay, are you getting my point? That this is an AP. From the beginning, if you see, the common difference is +3. So from the end, if you count, then the common difference will be -3. So I can reverse this AP, okay, to get another AP. 88, 85, 82, dot dot, then -8, sorry, -2, -5, -8 will come. Okay, so now we have to find the seventh term. From this side we have to find the seventh term. Okay, seventh term we have to find. So how to find the seventh term? T7, a plus 7 minus 1 into d. D means what? -3. So it will be 88, 7 minus 1 means 6, 6 into -3 means -18. So this will be equal to 70. Okay, 70. So the seventh term from the end of the sequence is 70. Option 2 is the correct answer. So let me take some water, then again I will continue. Okay, so let's go to question number 115. What they are asking, the sum of all two-digit numbers which when divided by 4 leave 1 as a remainder. So the numbers which when divided by 4 leave 1 remainder are of the form 4n plus 1, is not it? 4n plus 1, where n belongs to, okay, n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 0 plus integers, all positive integers. Okay, or non-negative integers. So let me write it like n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, dot dot, like that it will go. So the numbers will be like, if n is equal to 0, then it will become 1, n is equal to 2, then it will become 9, n is equal to 3, then it will become 13. Okay, not 1, 9. First term is 1, it is okay, then next term will be 5. Okay, first term is 1. If n is equal to 0, then it will become 1. If n is equal to 1, then it will become 5. If n is equal to 2, then it will become 9. If n is equal to 3, then it will become 13. Okay, then it will become 17. Then it will become 21. Like that it will go. And how long it will go? So we have to find the sum of all two-digit numbers. So it will start from 13. Okay, it will start from 13, and where it will end? It will end, I think, what? 98 is divisible by 4 or not? 98, 4, 2, 8, 98 is not divisible. 99 is not divisible. 400, 94 is divisible by not 94. So which one? Can you tell? Which number will be the last two digit number which when divided by 4 will leave 1 as remainder? Okay. So 4. 90 is not divisible by 4. 91 is not. 92. 92 is divisible by 4. Okay. 92 is divisible by 4. So 93. Somewhere 93 will come. If you divide 93 by 4, then 1 will be a remainder. 4, 2, 8, 1, 13, 4, 3, 12, 1, 13, 93. Then 97 will come. Okay. Then 101 will come, but that I will not take. Okay. 101 will come, and like this it will go on. So our point of concentration will be 13, 17, this series, 21, dot dot, 93 and 97. This much we have to find the sum of this series. Okay. Sum of this series we have to find. So how many terms are there? This is an AP series. Okay. This is an AP, arithmetic progression. So the first term is 13 and the common difference D is 4. You can see the common difference D is 4. So for finding the sum we need that how many terms are there from 13 to 97, how many terms are there. Okay, that we need to count. So for that what I will do, now Tn formula we will apply. 97 is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay. So that we will get 93 minus 13 means 4 into n minus 1 is equal to 347 and 1894. So 4, 2, 8, 1, 21. So n is equal to 22. So total number of terms is 22. Okay, this is the 22nd term. 97 is the 22nd term. So now we can find the sum very easily. Sn is equal to n by 2. That means 22 by 2 into A plus L. A means the first term, L means the last term, 97. So what we are getting, 11 into 93, 3, 100, 110, 110. So 11, 1, 11, 1, 11, 1, 11, 12, 1, 2, 1, 0, 1, 2, 1, 0. That is the sum of the two digit numbers. Okay, which when divided by 4 leave 1 as remainder. 12, 10. 12, 10. Option number 4 is the correct answer. Option number 4 is the correct answer. Now let's see question number 116. So what it is saying, sum of P terms of an AP is equal to Q and sum of Q terms of the AP is equal to P. Then what will be the common difference? Okay, what will be the common difference? So sum of P terms, that means SP is equal to what we can write? P terms, that means P by 2 into 2A, if the first term is A, 2A plus P minus 1 into D. Okay, that is the sum of P terms, and that they have told that is equal to Q. Okay, sum of P terms, you can see that they have told Q. So from here if we simplify a little bit, what I will get, P into 2A plus P minus 1 into D is equal to 2Q. Okay, so again what we will get, 2A plus P minus 1 into D is equal to 2Q by P. That we have got. Okay, that keep it as the first equation. Okay, then what they are saying, sum of Q terms of AP is P. So sum of Q terms SQ is equal to Q by 2 into 2A plus Q minus 1 into D in the same way. That is equal to P, they have told. Okay, that is equal to P. So from here what we will get, 2A plus Q minus 1 into D is equal to 2P by Q. 2P by Q. Okay, this is our second equation. Now we have to find the common difference, that means D we have to find. Okay, so what we will do, simply just subtract 1 or subtract 2 from 1. Okay, subtract 2 from 1. So what we are doing, 1 minus 2. Okay, so what we will get, 2a will be cancelled, then we will be having d into p minus 1 minus q plus 1 is equal to 2q by p minus 2p by q. Okay, that we will get. If you subtract 2 from 1, then 1 will be cancelled, so d into p minus q we will get, and in this side what we will get. Okay, options are what type? Okay, then we have to simplify it. So pq, so 2 into 2 I can take out, it will become q square minus p square. Okay, so d into p minus q will be equal to 2 into, here I can write q plus p into q minus p, okay, divided by pq. So p minus q and q minus p will be cancelled, but one minus sign will come here. So d is equal to minus 2 into p plus q divided by pq. Okay, that is equal to d, common difference. Minus 2 into p plus q divided by pq. Option 2 is the correct answer. Okay, here option 2 is the correct answer. So let's move to the next question. Question number 117. The fourth term of an AP is 3 times the first term and seventh term exceeds twice the third term by 1. Okay, 10th term of the AP is what? So the AP, if we take it like this, a comma a plus d comma a plus 2d, like this, if we take the AP, then what they are saying, the fourth term of an AP, that means a plus 3d, is 3 times the first term. Okay, 3 times the first term, 3a. So from here what we will get, 2a is equal to 3d. Okay, from the first statement we have got this term, and the seventh term exceed twice. Okay, seventh term, what will be the seventh term? A plus 6d exceeds twice the third term by 1. Okay, twice the third term, 2 into third term means a plus 2d by 1, exceeds by 1, so plus 1. Okay, a plus 6d is equal to this. So from here what we will get, a plus 6d is equal to 2a plus 4d plus 1. So now what we will do, 2a and a, what we will get, a, 2a and a, we will get a, and 4d minus 6d we will get 2d plus 1 is equal to 0, and this equation I will write like this, 2a minus 3d is equal to 0. Now these two equations we have to solve. Okay, you can solve in any method, any known method you can apply to solve these two equations. Okay, so what I will do, I need a and d both. Okay, because 10th term we have to find, so both values you have to find. So first equation keep it as it is, 2a minus 3d is equal to 0. Second equation multiply by 2, so 2a minus 4d plus 2 is equal to 0. So just subtract, then what you will get, 2a will be cancelled, we will get d is equal to 2. Okay, d is equal to 2. So from the first equation, if d is equal to 2, then 2a is equal to 3d, 3 into 2. So 2 will be cancelled, so a is equal to 3. So we have got a, we have got d. Now 10th term will be t10, will be what? A plus 9d, a plus 9d, that is the 10th term. So a we have 3, and 9 into d, 9 into 2, 18, 18 plus 3 means 21. So t10 is 21. Option 3 is the correct answer. Okay, option 3 is the correct answer. Now let's come to question number 118. two points having the same abscissa but different ordinates lie on where they will lie. Abscissa is same, that means x coordinate is same. Suppose we are writing a point like this x comma y ordered pair, the first element is called abscissa. Okay, the first element is called abscissa and second one is called ordinate. Now if x is same, x is constant, say x is constant, x is equal to k, it is constant, then what line it will represent? It will represent a straight line which is parallel to y axis. Okay, x is equal to k will represent a straight line which is parallel to y axis. So option 4 is the correct answer. Okay, now let's move to the next question. Question number 119. The number of linear equations in x and y which satisfy x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 5. So there will be infinite number of linear equations. So for example, I can give you x plus y is equal to 6. That is a linear equation which will be satisfied by these points. X is equal to 1 and y is equal to 5. Okay, you want one more? I am giving 2x minus y is equal to 2 minus 5 means minus 3. That is also a linear equation which will be satisfied by x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 5. Okay, that is second equation. You can give infinitely many equations like this. Okay, so we will get infinitely many equations. So let's move to the next question. If the point P 2, 1 lies on the line segment joining points A is equal to minus 1, 7 and B is the point 4, minus 3, then which condition will be true? That we have to find. So just let us first suppose that A point is here on a straight line. Say this is the straight line. A is here minus 1, 7 and B is here 4, minus 3 and say P is somewhere here. Okay, P is somewhere here, that is equal to 2, 1. Now if P divides AB in the ratio m is to n, then what we have? Suppose P divides so P is the point okay, P is the point 2, 1. So if P divides AB in the ratio m is to n, then what we have? 2 will be equal to 4m minus n divided by m plus n. Okay, m plus n. So this will give us 2m plus 2n is equal to 4m minus n. So that will imply 4m minus 2m means 2m and 3n. So m is equal to 3 by 2 into n. Now m means what? AP. AP will be equal to 3 by 2 into n means BP. 3 by 2 into BP. So is it clear to everyone or not? AP is equal to 3 by 2 into BP. So option 3 is the correct answer. So internal division formula we have applied here. Okay. Okay, if you don't know the formula, I am telling you for them. Suppose this is a point, say x1 comma y1, and this is a point x2 comma y2, and suppose this is the point P which divides AB, say this is A, this is B, in the ratio m is to n, in the ratio m is to n, then x will be equal to, this was the formula, okay, m x2 plus n x1 divided by m plus n and y will be equal to m y2 plus n y1 divided by m plus n. Okay, these were the formulas. So one of them I have applied here. So let's move to the next question. Question number 121. The coordinates of a point which is equidistant from 0 0, 0 22 and 8 0. Okay, let us say the coordinates of the point is x comma y. Now the distance between x comma y and 0 0 will be same as the distance between x comma y and 0 comma 22. Okay, these two distances will be equal. So by the given condition, what we can write, x square plus y square is equal to, that is the distance between 0 comma 0 and x comma y. I have taken square. Okay, this will be square root actually, but I am taking a square both sides. And what is the distance between x comma y and 0 comma 22? So this will be x square plus y minus 22 whole square. Okay, so from here what we are getting, x square will be cancelled, so y square will become y square minus 2 means 44y plus 22 into 22 or 22 square. Okay, a minus b whole square I have applied, so y square will be cancelled. So from here we are getting 44y is equal to 22 into 22. Now 22 to 44 and 2 again 11 here, so y is equal to 11. Anyway, the second coordinate of this point y is equal to 11. So now check the options. Now only in one option the second coordinate is 11. Okay, only in one option, so this option must be the correct answer. Okay, so for question number 121, option 3 is the correct answer. Is it clear to everyone? Okay, so let's move to the next question. Question number 122. Point which is equidistant from the points A and B lies on the linear equation. Okay, let us say the required point is x comma y. Okay, which is equidistant from A and B, which is equidistant from A and B. Okay, so this is a P. So by the given condition, what we have, x minus 4 whole square plus y minus 5 whole square is equal to x plus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square. Okay, so from here if you simplify it, see both the sides x square and y square terms will be cancelled, so I will not write those terms. So this will become minus 8x plus 16, this will become minus 10y plus 25, and in the right hand side it will become 4x plus 4 and minus 6y plus 9. Okay, x square and y square term I have cancelled. So minus 8x I will take into the right hand side, so 4x plus 8x means 12x, and minus 6y plus 10y, that means plus 4y. Okay, so 16 and 25 means 6, 25, 35, 6, 41, 41, and here in this side 13, so 13 minus 41. So what we will get, 3, 8, 1, 1, 2, 2, 28 minus 28 is equal to 0. So 4 we can cancel, 3x plus y minus 7 is equal to 0. That is the required linear equation. Okay, this is the required linear equation, 3x plus y minus 7. 3x plus y minus 7, option 2 is the correct answer. Okay, option 2 is the correct answer. Now let's move to the next question, question number 1, 2, 3. If the midpoint of the line segment joining alpha comma beta plus 1 and alpha plus 1 comma beta plus 1 is 3 by 2, okay, very nice, is 3 by 2 comma 5 by 2, then the midpoint of the line segment, this is what? So now that means basically we have to find the values of alpha and beta. So what will be the midpoint of these 2 points? What will be the midpoint of these 2 points? alpha plus 1 by 2 comma beta plus 1 plus beta plus 2 divided by 2. Okay, this will be the midpoint, and that is given 3 by 2 comma 5 by 2. Now from here we will get the value of alpha and beta. So from here what we can write? 2 alpha plus 1 by 2 is equal to 3 by 2. So 2 will be cancelled. So we will get, okay, sorry, so it will become 3 by 2 comma 5 by 2 as I have told. That means from here we can write 2 alpha plus 1 by 2 is equal to 3 by 2. So 2 will be cancelled. So we will get alpha is equal to 1. Okay, alpha is equal to 1. Again, what else condition we have? 2 beta plus 3 by 2 is equal to 5 by 2. That we are comparing the second ordinate, okay, or abscissa and ordinate we are comparing. So we will get beta is equal to 5 minus 3 means 2, and again 2 will be cancelled, beta is equal to 1. So alpha is equal to 1, beta is equal to 1. Now what they are asking, what is the middle point? What will be the midpoint of the line segment joining alpha minus 1 comma beta plus 1 and alpha plus 1 comma beta minus 1. Okay, so the midpoint will be equal to just alpha minus 1 plus alpha plus 1 divided by 2 comma beta plus 1 plus beta minus 1 divided by 2. Okay, that is equal to what? That is equal to 1 will be cancelled, 2 alpha means it will give you alpha, and here also 1 will be cancelled, 2 beta means it will give you beta. So as I have told, alpha minus 1 plus alpha plus 1 divided by 2 comma beta plus 1 plus beta minus 1 divided by 2. That is nothing but that is equivalent to alpha comma beta, and the values of alpha and beta are known to us, so it will be 1 comma 1. So option 1 is the correct answer. Okay, option 1 is the correct answer. So now let's see the next question, question number 124. Euclid states that all right angles are equal to each other in the form of what? An axiom, a definition, a postulate, or a theorem. Now every one of you have read Euclid's 5 postulates were there, okay, in class or class 9 NCERT book you can see. So these are given, all these statements are given as a postulates in the form of a postulates. So option 3 will be the correct answer. So now let's move to the next question, question number 125. Boundaries of solids are surface. Okay, boundaries of solids are called surfaces, because for example you can take a solid sphere, okay, then what will be the boundary of that sphere? That is a surface. That is not a curve, that is not a line. Okay, that are accumulation of points anyway, but that is called a surface. Okay, that is called a surface. So boundaries of solids are surfaces. So now let's move to the next question. Question number 126. The angles this and these are supplement to each other, then the value of A. Okay, supplement means the sum of those two angles will be equal to 180 degree. Is not it? Supplement means their sum will be 180 degree. So just 30 minus A plus 125 plus 2A is equal to 180 degree. That is supplement. So 2A minus A means A, and 125 plus 30 means 155, is not it? 155 is equal to 180. So A is equal to what? 180 minus 155. Okay, 180 minus 155. So that is equal to what? 516 62 25 degree. Okay, A is equal to 25 degree. So option 4 is the correct answer. So supplement means their sum is 180 degree and complement means their sum will be equal to 90 degree. Okay, that you have to remember. Now question number 127. So which of the following statement is true? Okay, now just by looking at the options we will decide which one is true. Whenever we will get true thing, we will discard the others. So if x degree is the measure of an angle which is equal to its complement. Now x degree is the measure of an angle which is equal to its complement. That means x degree will be what? It is equal to 45 degree. Okay, equal to its complement, because its complement will also be equal to 45 degree. Okay, that's why x degree will be equal to 45 degree. And y degree is the measure of an angle which is equal to its supplement. So y degree will be what? Is equal to 90 degree, because its supplement is equal to 90 degree again. So which is equal to its supplement. Then x degree by y degree. So if you divide x by y, so what you will get? 45 by 90. So you will get 1 by 2. So you will get 0.5. So this is the correct option. Okay, this option is true. This statement is true. So the remaining statements will be false immediately. Okay, you can check also. If you want, you can check also. The remaining statements will be false. So now let's move to the next question. Question number 128. So in the figure, what they have told, AB is parallel to PO, okay, and BC is parallel to OQ. BC is parallel to OQ, okay. Then the value of 2x minus y. Now whenever AB is parallel to PO, then these angles are the corresponding angles, x and y. So x will be equal to y. This is our first condition, x is equal to y, okay, because AB is parallel to PO and these are the corresponding angles, x and y. So x is equal to y. Now we have to find the value of 2x minus y. So in place of x I can put y. So 2y minus y, that value we have to find. So that is equal to nothing but y. Okay. So 2y minus y, that is equal to y. Okay, not implies that, just put equals to. 2y minus y, that is equal to y. So we have to find basically the value of y, that we have to find. So now again see, QO is parallel to BC. Okay, QO is parallel to BC. So this angle and this angle are corresponding angles. So these two angles will be equal. So this is 130. So it will also be 130. Now what will be this angle y then? Y will be 50 degree, because the sum of these two angles will be 180 degree. Okay, so y is equal to 50 degree. So our answer is 2x minus y is equal to 50 degree. Okay, option 1 is the correct answer. The questions are very simple. Okay, so now let's move to the next question. Question number 129. the angles of a triangle are in the ratio 4:5:6. The difference of the largest and the smallest angle is what? So let us say the first angle is 4x, then the second angle is 5x, and then the third angle is 6x. Now their sum will be equal to, everyone knows that 180 degree. So 4x, 4 plus 5 9, 9 plus 6 15, 15x is equal to 180 degree, or x is equal to what? 15 1 15 3 12, x is equal to 12. Okay, then the smallest angle will be what? 4x, 4 into 12, that is the smallest angle, and the largest angle will be 6x, 6 into 12, 6 into 12. Now we have to find the difference between them. Okay, so what we will get, not implies that, equals to 72 minus 48, that is equal to 24. I think 8 4 12 4 1 5 2, 24 degree. Okay, 24 degree. So option 3 is the correct answer. Okay, question number 129, option 3 is the correct answer. Now question number 130, this is the last question of today's session. Okay, today, as already I have told you in the beginning, that in today's video we will solve 30 questions. Okay, so this is the 30th question of today's session. So this is also a simple problem. See, in the figure they are telling AB is parallel to CD. Okay, AB is parallel to CD and two angles are given. This angle is 105 and this angle is 30 degree only. So just what I will do, I will extend CD. I will extend CD. Okay, this I will extend like this. If I extend CD, then this CD is parallel to AB. So this angle B or angle ABE, whatever we are getting, we will get this angle as also 105 degree. Okay, these are corresponding angles, 105 degree. Now look at this triangle. Okay, D, give it some name P. Okay, this point is P. Now in the triangle PDE, okay, in the triangle PDE, we are extending the side PD to C. Okay, that means this angle, this outer angle will be equal to the sum of the two inner opposite angles. Okay, so A will be equal to 105 plus 30 degree. Okay, this was a theorem. So 135 degree. A is equal to 135 degree. So option 2 is the correct answer. That means what I wanted to tell you, that suppose you have a triangle like this and you are extending one side. Okay, you are extending one side. Suppose this is the triangle ABC and you are extending the side BC up to D. Okay, then whatever angle here, outer angle will be produced, this angle will be nothing but the sum of this angle and this angle. Okay, so this will be angle A plus angle B. That was a theorem. So I think it is clear to everyone. Okay, now further, again I am telling, further if you have any kind of doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. I will try to answer your questions in the next video. Okay, so for today already I have told you that today 30 questions we will solve. So question number 1012, question number 130 we have solved today. So in the next video again 20 questions or 30 questions I will bring for you, and in this way I will complete the total KVS TGT mathematics paper. Okay, so for all the questions I will give you detailed solutions like this. So anyway, again I am telling that if you find this video useful, then please don't forget to like and share this video so that others also can benefit from these videos. And those who are new to my channel, please subscribe to this channel for getting these types of videos. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video.